Today, I'm sharing my top 10 IKEA finds that are perfect for small spaces. With over 12,000 products available, shopping at IKEA can feel overwhelming. But I've narrowed it down to 10 hidden gems that are ideal for compact living. These clever, space-saving pieces are some of IKEA's best-kept secrets, and you'll definitely want to check them out. And before we get started, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like so you don't miss out on the latest updates and home inspiration. We're jumping right in with the Glamberget extendable bed with storage. The Glamberget series offers smart, space-saving, and multifunctional furniture designed to adapt to your needs. The extendable bed is ideal for small spaces or low ceilings, with a compact design that maximizes every inch of room. It accommodates both twin and full mattresses, allowing you to switch sizes as needed without replacing the frame. You can even place two twin mattresses side by side for a larger sleeping area. Included are two spacious storage boxes on casters, perfect for utilizing the space under the bed and easy to roll out when needed. The set also features two versatile tray tables that can be used for snacks, laptops, or as bedside tables when placed atop the storage boxes. Crafted from solid pine, the bed showcases the natural beauty of the wood, giving each piece a unique character. The next find is Lindakra Sleeper Sofa. This versatile sofa bed features a fun, rounded design and includes practical storage in both the seat and detachable poof. The generously sized back cushions add to its inviting look while offering extra comfort. Need an extra bed? Simply remove the back cushions and keep the poof attached to transform it into a single bed. The poof can also be detached and used as a flexible seat or even a coffee table. Upholstered in Vissel dope-dyed polyester, the cover has a smooth weave with a stylish two-tone effect. It's also easy to maintain, thanks to a special treatment that keeps spills on the surface for quick and easy cleanup with a dry cloth. The next find is Vattenkar Desktop Shelf. No need for a drill. This white shelf unit easily screws onto your tabletop, instantly creating space for small items or even a stylish divider for plants, whether at home or in the office. The shelves can be adjusted to 3 different positions, allowing you to place the unit against a wall or between 2 desks without wasting space. It's simple to attach or remove as needed, thanks to the convenient screw mounts. The next find is Sigtrig Chair. Designed with your comfort and well-being in mind, this chair features ergonomic shaping, built-in lumbar support, and a flexible backrest for added relaxation. It comes in a variety of wood veneer finishes to match your personal style and existing furniture. Customize the look by choosing from different seat shell colors and pairing them with the C-Fast underframe, available in white and black. When not in use, the chairs can be stacked to save space. The next find is Oscarsham Ottoman with storage. Put your feet up and unwind. This footstool is the ideal companion to the wing chair. Stylish, functional, and thoughtfully designed, it also offers hidden storage beneath the seat for books, throws, or hobby items you want nearby but out of sight. Its gently rounded shape, clean lines, wooden legs, and a sleek leather handle add to its charm and practicality. Use it alongside the chair or on its own as a flexible extra seat wherever you need it. The next find is Ovning Utility Cart. This flexible and portable trolley offers a smart storage solution for pencils, paper, and everything your child needs for homework. Easy to roll and equipped with a movable hook, it's designed for convenience and fun. With its rounded top edge, your child can easily push or pull the trolley to the kitchen table, living room, or any preferred workspace. The hook can be placed anywhere on the trolley and moved around whenever they like. You can also choose whether the metal compartment opens on the left or right side, and arrange the shelves either aligned or in an asymmetrical layout. Part of the Ovning collection, this trolley is one of many clever tools that make learning fun and flexible. helping kids stay motivated, organized, and ready to shift workspaces with ease. The next find is Frojon over the toilet shelf. The Frojon series offers smart shelving units that optimize bathroom storage while adding a touch of traditional style. The over-the-toilet shelf transforms unused vertical space into a practical spot for storing toilet paper, bottles, and cleaning supplies, keeping them off the floor and neatly organized. Its slim, open design takes up minimal floor space, while the front and side metal wires help prevent items from falling. The next find is Sonersta Storage Unit. This storage unit is impressively sturdy and built to last. With its clean, minimalist design, it fits seamlessly into any space, whether as an extra work surface in the kitchen, practical hallway storage, or a unique bedside table. Versatile in function and style, it adapts easily to your needs around the home. Rigorously tested for stability, durability, and safety, this unit is designed to handle everyday use for years to come. The next find is Hull-Tarp Dish Drainer. The Hull-Tarp series is all about smart solutions that free up your workspace while keeping essentials within easy reach, all with a traditional look that brings warmth to your kitchen. This versatile piece can be mounted on the wall or placed directly on the countertop. It also features a removable tray underneath to catch water from the drainer, making cleanup simple and mess-free. The next find is Scrubby Cabinet with glass doors. The Scrubby series features a timeless, traditional design with standalone storage pieces that coordinate beautifully. This glass door cabinet showcases a warm, oak-effect top panel, an ideal surface for displaying your favorite items. Thoughtful details like profiled edges and forged handles enhance its classic character. The glass doors keep contents dust-free while allowing them to remain visible. Assembly is simplified with innovative dowels that easily press into pre-drilled holes and expand when tightened for a secure fit. Made with tempered glass for added durability and a surface that's both hard-wearing and easy to clean, this cabinet offers both style and practicality. IKEA's hidden gems are surprisingly smart and totally worth checking out. It's often the little upgrades that make the biggest impact. If you found a new favorite or came across something unexpected, share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.